Alright, we got a bicycle helmet here. That's bad. If you ever see these two pieces of garage sales, you get them for free, go ahead. And make... Oops, let me get on my stuff out. The shell dries out over years, as you can see. They're trying to make it look like a carbon fiber top. It's not. It's thin plastic, 3D printed. But all these points here, like there, and there, and there, are glue points. And then they put some glue there. So I'm going to use my Duco Cement to fix this helmet. Because basically your head's just strapped in foam. So if it's still good, put some there, there, over there, there. I'm putting kind of all the contact points. That's enough. Oops, crap. So that is a cheap bicycle helmet fix. So we put it there. Yep, that's the back of the head. Press it on. And I'm wiping down, pushing down on the sides. I should say I got it centered. It's already tacky and well, anyway, if you get these at a garage sale like that, or I don't know, even the trash can, these two pieces separated, you know, it's like new. I mean, I never wore it in 5 years. The glue just dried out. So there you go, cheap helmet fix.